Windows everyone. In this video I'm gonna explain you how you can create a voice alarm clock. Yes guys, alarm clock which will take your voice and will set automatically Pi alarm clock. And if you don't want to miss the greatest part of the video, make sure that you subscribed and watch the video until the end. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do is create the folder and text document, create the folder and rename it whatever you want. I renamed it clock, and I'm gonna work with last project which I have already in my YouTube channel. This is the same alarm clock, but this alarm clock will be more smarter than the other alarm clock. So in this alarm clock you have to write in the last alarm clock you have to write with the keyboard your recommendation, for example hour, for or minute. You have to set it not automatically with your voice, but you have to set it with keyboard. But in this video we're gonna create the alarm clock which works with voice. Yes guys, before starting action I want you to subscribe and put like my channel, and let's get started. So after doing that you have to go to this folder and press the right click to the clock and open it with PyCharm. After opening it with PyCharm, go to the PyCharm and write this program. So if you don't know from where this program came, you can go to my last video, link will be in description, and watch my video and understand what's going on in this situation. So first of import PyTTSX3 will help us to create the voice assistant in PyCharm. I'm not gonna write this huge code here because I copied it here. You have to write this and paste it here. And before starting program, I want you to install the PyTTSX3. If your Python shows you the mistake, that means you didn't install the PyTTSX3. This is not difficult to do. If you don't use a PyCharm, I'm gonna explain you how to do that. Go to the CMD, all computers, all Windows systems, as I know, I'm not only about Windows system. All Windows systems have a CMD. You can go there and write pip install and make sure that you're connected with internet, else it's not gonna work. PyTTSX3. I have been already installed it, so that's why I'm not gonna have some trouble. But if you didn't install it, it's gonna take about 5 or 2 minutes. So let's get started. After doing that, let's copy another part of the voice command, and I will explain you what that means after copying all this stuff here. So we have to copy this one too and paste it here. Alright, so what we done here, we actually created the devspeak folder which will speak with us, and devtake command mean that this program will take our voice and will recognize it. Alright, let's just look how it works. As you can see, the SR function is not working, so because we have to import speech recognition as SR. So now as you can see, this is recognized by PyCharm. So what did that mean? I explained it in some of my videos, you can go and check this out, but I'm gonna explain you with shortly way. So that means I'm not gonna use speech recognition. It's very long text, as you can see. I'm not gonna use it every time, so that's why I'm swapping it to the SR. So that means, for example, hello world, you're not gonna write every time hello world. You can put it to the A box and use it comfortable. Now we have to go a little down and now right here speak hour, or let's first of all create the greeting function. Hello, set your alarm clock. Great. So now you have to go a little down, and if you wrote this here like voice assistant, you needn't write here input or something else. All what you need is write like this, int, create this and write, for example, ff, or let's swap it, t equals to the take command, and after taking your voice it will recognize it as a number. So that's why we put this t command inside of this a folder. So now we have to create a speak minute here. So then after asking us hour, the next will be minute. So then let's create a new speech recognition th. So it doesn't have a matter, you can write your name here, but I want to just work with a short way and explain you with a short way to earn time. Now we have to write here take command again. We have only one platform which will take the command from us. So delete this input from here and write the th. Great. So then set it like AM or PM. The program will automatically understand what speech is going on if you will tell the PM or AM. Speak time format. You have to say the time format, AM or PM, and AM or PM. Great. So it's gonna sound a little strange when the program will start. You will see that. So then after recognizing it, if C will be equal to the P.M equals to the take command, then let's put this GGH, what we did it there, GHG here, and if C will be equal to the P.M, show us this folder. And if you remember, if you watched my video, I put the file, for example, I'm setting the time from 4 to the 5. When the 5 it comes, it automatically opens my file which I wrote the path to this A box. I didn't put the music. You can put the music path, because why? Because if I will do that, YouTube will write under my video copyright and I will not be available to use my video comfortable. So now you can put here the music file. Let's just look at the condition. As you can see, if time will come to the place which I set it, it will open automatically this black knob. As you can see, subscribe. Now let's check out what we got actually. Before starting program, I want to check and write here speak, not print. You can print it to the screen and see that, but we need the voice assistant here. Speak, let's say it's time. So if we will start it now.
Hello, set
Alarm clock.
hour.
12
Minute.
43
Time format M or PM.
PM. Now when the time will come to the 43, we will see my 1.txt file in my screen. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, and oops, something went wrong. It's okay, so let's find our mistake. Alright guys, so after a couple of coding, I added here some codes and made little changes here. It started to work. Mistake with that, I didn't even expect that we have to add here the query. When we copy this file, take comment, I didn't pay attention to this query. Then I invented the while true function where I put the comment under query. And now I invented the two comments. If we will tell to our program hello, and we're gonna get a hey, and when we'll tell the alarm clock, we're gonna get the alarm clock function here. Let's get started. Alarm clock.
Hello, set your alarm clock.
Hour.
1
Minute.
9
Time format.
PM. Great. Now when time will come to the 109, you will see that everything is working. Alright, now we're waiting a little while. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, and
It's time. Good day.
we got some little problem there, but I fixed it and now our program is working great. This was my smartest alarm clock, and I don't think that you can find these kind of videos in YouTube. I did it for you. This is the second chapter of my smart alarm clock. The first was simple alarm clock. This is the smartest alarm clock. So if you have some question about alarm clocks, you can write in comment down below and I will answer to them. Thank you guys. I believe in you. Subscribe and put like to my channel. See you next time.